To request an interlibrary loan item from the Atlanta University Center, Robert W. Woodruff Library, visit the library website, auctr.edu. Go to Find Materials, scroll down to Account Links, which is on the right side of the page, and click on Interlibrary Loan Login. If you are a first-time user, you will need a library barcode number. If you do not have a library barcode number, visit the circulation desk in the library or call at 404-978-2097 or email them at circ@auctr.edu. Once you have a barcode, click on Create New Password, type in your library barcode, and select Request New Password. An email will be sent to your email address that you provided to circulation when you signed up for your barcode. This email will tell you exactly how your new password needs to be crafted and which characters you can and cannot use. Once you have created your login, you could go back to the library website. Again, that was auctr.edu. You can scroll to the middle of the page on the right side where it says Find What You're Looking For, Search Library Collections. You can type in the title of the item that you need that the library does not own or does not have at the moment. Once you locate that item, click on the title. You will see a blue bar that says Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. Click on that. It will ask for the barcode. Once you've logged in, you will be able to see that the information was imported into that form. If there's anything that you need to let us know, you can put it in the comment section. And if you have a need before date, you can go ahead and select that as well. It does fill in your information. We do ask that you select the correct department and status. And then you could go ahead and hit Submit Request. Once your request has been submitted, if there was an item that you needed that you did not see in our catalog, you can type in the request manually, paying attention to all the areas that have asterisks beside them, because we will not be able to process your request unless those have been filled in. From here, you can see any fines and fees that you may have. If you have fines, you will not be able to borrow any physical items through Interlibrary Loan. You can see items that you have checked out. You can renew items. If they are overdue, you will not be able to renew them here. You will have to contact either the Interlibrary Loan unit or the circulation unit to do so. If there's an item that you have borrowed before and you would like to borrow the exact item again, you can click on Duplicate Request. Again, it will fill out the form for you, and all you have to do is hit Submit Request. If you have any questions about the status of your ILL item, the status will always be shown here. It updates from unknown to submitted in a matter of seconds. Once the item comes into the library, if it's a physical item or if it's an article, Once it becomes available for you, you will receive an email and your status will update to received. If at any point during the process you have a question for the Interlibrary Loan Unit, you may contact us at ill@auctr.edu or at 404-978-2025 or 2042. We look forward to helping you to find whatever it is that you need.